kids? Do you want to see the amazing world of the oceans? Then hop along with Bob the Train! And don't forget to bring your breathing masks! Let's go down through the waves to the water blue, as I zig and I zag on the tracks through the sea. Watch the fish make a wish as they leap out the way. What a fun time you'll have, count on me. See the sharks swim in arcs, see the crabs show their abs, see the eels chase my wheels in a flurry. See the squids and their kids, see the jellyfish squish in the wonderful world of the sea. There are many fun activities under the sea. Let's see what they are. Take a look through the caves on a seahorse ride. Hop along o'er the corals with Bob by your side. And you might very well spot a pearl in a shell. So many wonderful things you can find. See the sharks swim in arcs, see the crabs show their abs, see the eels chase my wheels in a flurry. See the squids and their kids, see the jellyfish squish in the wonderful world of the sea. And there are so many fun tales the ocean life can tell you. Just tag along with them and you will hear all of them. Swim with schools of whales singing mighty tales of cities of the seas made of golden scales, where the kings swim with fins with the mermaids blue, and the trains ride on floating rails. See the sharks swim in arcs, see the crabs show their abs, see the eels chase my wheels in a flurry. See the squids and their kids, see the jellyfish squish in the wonderful world of the sea. That was such a fun and wet adventure. Come back soon to have many more adventures with Bob the Train.